Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn that how can we change our date of birth on our TikTok account. Let's get started our video. You have to open your TikTok account, then you must click on the profile, then click on the three lines at the top left corner of the page. Then you will find here an option settings and privacy. Just click on it. You will find here an option like account, then click on it. You will find here the different options about your account, but there is no way to change your date of birth on TikTok account directly, so you have to done another method, which is report a problem. Then just click on it and you will find here an interface like this, and here you have to click on the account and the profile. Just click on it, then this type of the page will open for you. Just scroll down and here you will find an option of editing profile like this, and click on it. You will find here the different more options about editing profile. You have to click on the other option here like this, and here you have to click on the option need more help. You have to report your problem here like TikTok team, I want to change my date of birth as I have made a mistake while creating my account. I can show you my CNIC as a proof, and that's all. Okay, and you have to click on the submit. But guys, if this method not works for you, then you have to create an other account, new account, as there is no another way to change your date of birth on TikTok. So I hope you learned a lot from this video. Give this video thumbs up and also subscribe my channel. Let's me guide. See you again in the next video. Thanks for watching.